I'm Susan. Today I am doing another Muffin Monday video, and this time it's going to be Doughnut Muffins. It sounds really good, so I can't wait to give it a try. The other two have been really good, winners for my family. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 1 egg, 1/3 cup of oil, a 1/2 cup of milk, 1 1/2 cups of sifted plain flour. I sifted before measuring. A 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. And for the topping, you'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and butter for the top of the muffins. In a bowl, you want to combine your egg, your oil, and your milk and whisk it together. Now set that aside. Now in another bowl, you want to sift together your flour and all of your dry ingredients. Now you want to combine your wet and your dry ingredients. And I do have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And you don't want to overmix your muffins. Now I sprayed my paper liners, and now you just want to scoop your batter into your cups, and it ended up only filling up 11 of them. Now you want to mix your cinnamon and your sugar and sprinkle it over the top really well. And you just want to add a pat of butter over the top of that. It didn't specify exactly how much, it just said a spoonful of butter. So I did about maybe a 1/2 tablespoon or so, but really I think I could have used more. And now you want to bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're done. And here they are. Now I have to be honest with you, these were not sweet muffins. They weren't bad, but they were kind of a disappointment after the last ones. One of my sons said it was like cinnamon bread, instead of a muffin. They look light and fluffy, but they're more of a dense muffin. They weren't bad. I still enjoy it with my coffee. But I liked the other two that I made better. But you never know unless you give it a try. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. I love you. Bye, y'all.